What's going on, guys? Dave with Expedition Georgia. Welcome to the gear table review. Today we're looking at the Expedition Georgia Weekender Bleeding Control First Aid Kit. We designed this kit for the Weekend Warrior to handle everything from small cuts to major bleeding. This kit is vacuum sealed and assembled by industry leaders North American Rescue. To access the contents, simply tear the perforated edge just like this and open the package. Inside you'll find all the contents shown here. A content card, a North American Rescue 6-inch emergency trauma dressing, a high-vis cat tourniquet Gen 7, a emergency blanket, a 10-pack of bandages, compressed gauze, and 2 packs of gloves. The Expedition Georgia Weekender Bleeding Control Kit is perfect for people of all experience levels. We always recommend training to make sure you know how to use everything in your kit. We also have an advanced model called the Overlander, which we will be doing a video on soon. You can purchase this kit in our store at expeditiongeorgia.com. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.